Oh my, if you go shopping, yellow and oranges are everywhere. So I thought I would go ahead and bring together a selection of yellows and oranges. I love these, they're so pretty. So let me share them with you. This is the first 100% viscose. Oh, and all of these, because today's a store party, we're doing these at $12. That's the store party price for all the fabrics. Not all the fabrics, but the new fabrics going up for you guys is $12. That's today and tomorrow. And so you see this beautiful combination of the oranges and the browns and the creams. It's just really pretty. Has stretch in both directions. It's 100% viscose, great drape, soft, very soft. We're still seeing a lot of velvet out there, and they're doing it for spring and summer colors, and I just think it's beautiful. This orange is just gorgeous. This would be a great cardigan, great little top with it, and then of course like white pants, white jeans, be so cute. This has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. We have another 100% viscose, would be great with this orange also. Look at that combination, how pretty it looks. And put this on a bias. This would be, a knit on the bias would be beautiful. I mean, there's no bias, you know that, but what I mean, just be really adorable to put a little top on the bias like this. Really cute, but this has stretch in both directions. Great drape again. 100% viscose. Then we have a cotton poly blend. This is a real yellow. It's very, very pretty. Yellow and orange are being done together. They're being worn together and they're really pretty. This is like a little floral, kind of like a, it has stretch in both directions, like it'd be great for a little cardi, little t-shirt, really cute. And then this yellow is just right on. The color is just right on. It's really nice. This is a cotton poly, has stretch in both directions. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's beautiful. It's so soft. It's this knit that's just lovely. I mean, it's lovely. 100% cotton. This is, you can see it's got a little, it's yellow, but it's got a little more green in it. It goes with this yellow, but then I also had this fabric that had a little more green in it, so I put those together. So these kind of go together and these kind of go together. They all kind of mix, but you understand what I'm saying. So let's go back. 100% cotton. This is a stretch in both directions, and it's light and it's beautiful. It goes really well with that. Isn't that pretty together? And then this is a kind of a, it's a yellow, it's a cotton poly blend. It has stretch in one direction, sorry, one direction. It's got a little stripe in it, and it's pretty. It's really pretty. It's got great drape, it's really soft, and then this pairs just beautifully with it. This is 100% cotton, has stretch in one direction. And great, again, soft, great drape, beautiful piece of fabric. They're just lovely. I just love the quality. So $12 a yard today and tomorrow. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.